Hi everyone, it's Evie with another acrylic pour, and today I'm trying a new formula. So right now I have golden paints with Floetrol and alcohol. I haven't used alcohol before, so let's get started. Okay, let's get the cup mixed. So the canvas is covered with Floetrol, and here is my cup. So let's put in some white. A little bit of what? Oh, I think my paints are too thick, but we'll see. My Floetrol came out a little thicker than usual. I just got a new gallon of it, so I've had to work with that. Now let's put in some yellow. Oh, okay, some yellow in there. Let's put in a little more white with the yellow. Okay, now let's put in some of this magenta and some of this blue. Again, let's go ahead and put in some more white in this. And I think this is, okay, lastly, let's put in some blue at the very bottom. So we'll see how this works out. Now the cup is pretty much full, so that means that it's going to cover the whole canvas. So let's flip. Okay. Let it sit for a minute. I'm impatient. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, it's looking good. So let's, oh wow, we have tons of cells. This is great. Let's slowly oh, I forgot to mention, I also added some Artist Loft iridescent medium to make not very much though. Not very much at all. It's like adding gold or silver or something. It just makes it sparkly. Okay, so there are tons and tons and tons of cells. It's like soap. That's what I can compare it to. Looks like suds, basically. Come on. Okay, so I think I'm done tilting. Some of my edges are not done yet, so I will see if I can do another small cup to pour it in. Oh, actually, I've got some leftover paint in this cup, the original cup, so let's see if we can cover up the white canvas spots. I am liking this a lot. I'm liking the cells. I'm liking the iridescence. So like suds. Let me get you closer so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, let's get closer. So you see? Okay, you're not Let's focus. There we go. Looks like suds. Especially the little sparkly stuff. Okay. Interesting. Now it's showing white. I wonder if I had a background, a different colored background, what it would show like. Well, anyway, thanks for watching.